Welcome to Trang An, a stunning gem in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning scenery, covering over 6,172 hectares. Trang An boasts 300 limestone caves, 12 freshwater lakes, and 600 islets. Taking boat tours is the best way to explore these caves and admire the breathtaking views. Discover magnificent caves like Toy Cave, with its mysterious shadows, and Sang Cave, where sparkling stalactites create a bright ambiance. Marvel at Enchanting Cave, known for its shimmering beauty, and hear the legends of Nauru Cave, where wine was once brewed for royalty. Don't miss Cong Cave, a historical site from the two resistance wars against French colonialism and American imperialism in Vietnam. Also, don't overlook May Cave, which presents serene and beautiful landscapes. On the way, don't miss the chance to explore the rich history of different temple complexes such as Trinh Temple, Cong Temple, Tren Temple, and Vulam Palace. They are not only famous for their sacredness, but also their unique and meticulous architecture. Trang An is not just a destination, it's a journey through time and nature. Experience its magic for yourself. Book your adventure today and create unforgettable memories.